Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, we had a pretty big sharp sell-off yesterday in the grain markets, and some people link that to just liquidating some of the nearby longs that we've had since the drought, and not a lot of new news as we go into the end of the year. Also pretty much favorable South American weather at this particular juncture. And all this talk about how fiscal cliff is going to be bearish to stocks and commodities. Overnight we had a little bit of a bounce, the old turnaround Tuesday mentality on light volume. Not a lot of new news out there. We expect weekly export inspections to be slow for wheat and corn, and a good number for beans. Cash basis levels domestically have been improving on a lack of farmers selling. Overnight on the break there was some interest on the export side in corn, but prices are still probably a little bit too high. There was some domestic pricing of meal and wheat, and we'll be watching some of the wheat tenders pretty closely to see if U.S. Is competitive. But it's not much of a bounce, and still raises concern that maybe prices are a little bit too high. From a weather standpoint, South America, conditions I think are improving in Argentina and northern Brazil. People will start watching southern Brazil as the forecast is drier there. Here in the United States we expect maybe normal to a little bit below normal rainfall for the Midwest, and below normal, maybe normal temperatures. But at least the western two-thirds of the southern plains could remain dry and add to concerns about the winter wheat crop there. We will be getting a crop rating today, and most people think that the crop ratings will show a slight decline. So again, the market is concerned that soybean prices are too high, and given the talk of fiscal cliff, that could drag wheat and corn prices lower, even though from a value standpoint, looking at supply and demands, corn and wheat might be a little bit undervalued. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
Around the world, the challenge going on is how do you control governments? That's happening in the U.S. As this morning.